Hello friends, welcome to episode 13 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. As of now in the playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis, we have covered these topics. In the last two episodes, we covered dual candlestick. We spoke about engulfment pattern and Harami pattern. Today we're going to be talking about another dual candlestick pattern, that is piercing pattern. This is a bullish pattern. Understanding the different types of candlesticks will make your analysis better in the long term. Candlesticks give vital information. If we are able to extract that information, we can use it for our advantage in our analysis. So piercing pattern is a bullish pattern. Let's take a look how it looks. Let's take a look on charts also and what are the different ways a piercing pattern can appear. So what you see right now on your screen is a piercing pattern. This is a two candlestick pattern. The prior trend should be downwards. When you see a big red candle followed by a green candle, you can understand how this green candle pierced through these falling prices. Hence the name piercing candlestick pattern. So what does this mean? The trend was downwards. We saw this big selling pressure, but at this point, if you notice, there was a little gap and then the prices started moving upwards. So the bulls or the buyers took control over this candle, showing that interest in buying is emerging. Candlestick is a concept and there is no exact shape to a candlestick. You need to understand what falls where. So even if the prices opened here and I saw a buying interest, I would still call it a piercing pattern. So what I draw is to make you guys understand, show you the reality. Even on charts I try to show, mainly because candles cannot be exact. Candles are formed based on prices, opening and closing prices, high and low prices, right? So this is just for a visual understanding. Now let's take a look on chart how a piercing pattern may appear. So the first trend for initial 4 candles was upwards. The next 4 candles, the prices started coming down, right? If you see this here, we can consider this to be a piercing pattern. The big red candle followed by a green candle. There was buying pressure here and you can see the next candle itself went upside, right? So this is what we can consider to be a piercing pattern. So if we do consider the prices were completely downwards and then we saw something like this candle forming, there are high chances that the trend is going to reverse and the prices are going to start moving upwards. So this is a short-term time frame and this is the chart that I found to make you guys understand that how a piercing pattern looks on chart. So here's another example to show you a piercing pattern. So if you see the prior trend, the trend was downwards. There was a big red candle followed by this big green candle which pierced through these prices. If you see here, the prices started moving up from there. So I hope today's candlestick pattern is clear. Piercing pattern is a reversal pattern. So a big red candle followed by a green candle which pierces through the prices shows the interest of buying. I would like you guys to search for this candle on charts, make your own analysis, see what is happening to the prices, look at multiple charts and you yourself will get confidence to understand what are happening to the prices. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish, mainly because I'm trying to do everything from my side to give out precise content so that your learning in long term becomes easier. Do hit the thumbs up icon if you like this video. Also share with your friends and family who are interested in learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.